The second list of the GDS post office is out for Northeast Circle, so I will show here only for the Meghalaya. This shortlisted candidate should get their documents verified through the divisional head mentioned against their name on or before 21/4/2023. The last date is 21/4/2023. So remember, if you get selected, remember to go and verify your document through the divisional head mentioned against their name. The shortlisted candidate should report for verification along with original and 2 sets of self-attested photocopies of all the relevant documents. So remember the instruction. In this list number 2, there is no name, only the registration number. So you can check your registration number by looking at this registration number and check by yourself are you qualify or not, if you get selected or not, because the name is not given here. In the list 1 they gave with the name and the registration number, but in the list 2 they didn't give the name, but they give only the registration number and percentage of marks. So you can check if you get that percentage, and you can check the registration number if you are get selected or not. So the total number of candidates in the list 2 is around 88 candidates for Meghalaya division. So check yourself. I will leave here and scroll yourself till the end. 88 candidates are getting selected for the list 2.